Okay, 5 things about Live Good that you might not know about. All right, what are those 5 things? Is there only 4? Or there might even be 6. Okay, but seems like whenever there's like top 10 lists or the top 5, maybe the top 3, but I'll just do the top 5. Okay, because if you're searching around the internet right now, or if you're on YouTube, you're probably looking for a home-based business. Okay, is it going to be a fad? Is it MLM where I'm going to be embarrassed and not even talk about the darn thing? Is it something that you even want to do, even if it's affordable? Because a lot of things online, business-wise, network, affiliate, MLM-based, there's a lot that are affordable. But I think you value your time, okay? Because if something's $50, you're like, okay, I have 50. I've got 25. I have 100. I even have $500. Okay, whatever. Some people have a lot more than that, especially if you want to max a credit card out. But what I recommend is you got to sit back and go, am I going to put time into this business where I consider it work? Like a pain in the ass. Like you got to stop what you're doing to go to your computer and do something. Okay? If it's going to be a chore and an agony and a pain in the ass thing, you're probably not going to do it, even if it's free. And, a lot of places charge way more than they should because with research, they think that if people spend $1,000 for something, that it's more valuable. And if you have $1,000 out the get-go on a credit card, or you just peel off a whole bunch of $20 bills until it equals $1,000, you're going to follow through because you want your money back. Okay? A flame under the butt, that little bum. Okay? I don't know. Only you can ask yourself, all right, am I going to put time into the business? In my experience, and I'm not a guru, okay, but if you're making money, I think you're going to get addicted to doing whatever you're doing to make that money online where it's fun. You're like, you can't wait to just go, look, I don't want to watch Netflix. I'll put like the football game on the background, or ladies, you get home, you just make sure your kids are in great shape, or maybe you got to do what you got to do. And this goes for guys, girls, husbands, wives, get your family situated nice. And then go in an extra bedroom that might be an office. Maybe you live by yourself, or your kitchen table is your office. Okay, but you have to do something that's similar to what you're looking at right now. Either looking in a video and chatting a little bit, or maybe filming a video where you're not on the video, but you're just showing something. You can share your screen, or maybe you just want to post, do some emails, or social media. You want to type, post a little bit. Okay? I just recommend sit back, and if there's somebody that you admire or some business that you're thinking of joining, do the best research you can and see maybe there's 4 or 5 people that are doing that business, whatever it is. And if they have a YouTube channel, a Facebook page, maybe they have Zoom meetings, maybe they send you emails. You can pretend you're going to join and you get on their email list. So maybe once or twice a day, they send you a real nice email. Okay? You've got to learn what that business is. And if you can afford it, awesome. But at the end of the day, you got to make it where it's kind of fun. And if you're making money, I still think that's going to trump everything. You're just going to go, you know what? I don't care. I'm going to sit at my computer and I just made $100 frickin'. Cheers. Okay. So let me show you what I do. Okay. And like I said, I'm not a guru. I'm definitely not a guy that has been doing this business for 30 years. But you know what? In a year and a half, I've been topping sometimes $15,000 to $17,000 per month. And I am not a guru. I don't have a massive list. I just know that if I have a nice drink with you guys, take a little sip. Okay, let's do it. Pace yourself. Cough if you have to. Pick your nose if you have to, but just relax. Be yourself, okay? And don't try to fake to make. Don't think you have to talk real fast and get your point across in 26 seconds or people aren't going to, take you take that ride on whatever train you want them to come aboard. In my experience with what I'm going to show you, I would rather just relax and show you guys in a 5 to 10 minute video of what I do. Okay. So what are 5 things about LiveGood? All right. Well, number one, the products are amazing. And you're going to hear that from a lot of other people. My living proof is I was buying the products before I became an affiliate. I buy the products online, like going to Amazon or going to Walmart.com or just walking in a store, buying the products and leaving. I had no intentions of being an affiliate. Even though it's only $40, that's cheap, 2 $20 bills. And that's for life, guys. That's the beauty of LiveGood. Okay, that's one thing that you should know is to be an affiliate is $40 one time and you're done. That's not every year. One and done. 2 $20 bills, spend it. But invest it. You got to think of it as like, look, I'm going to invest this in myself. Invest it in your business. You are your business. Because guess what? When you join LiveGood, you already have a website that's already done tens of millions of dollars. It's in turnkey mode. The products are shipped. They're handled. All the pain in the ass returns. All the customer service. Whatever it is. Could be a phone call, could be a text, could be just computer-based. I don't know. LiveGood does all that. So what's a nice thing? There's no products you have to buy. Okay? Man, because when you think of a business that might be similar to LiveGood, you always think, okay, they have a bunch of cool products, and there's like a multi-pay with a matrix, and you get 2 and they get 2, and you hear all this stuff, and you're like, okay, this is MLM. Now, what's the kick? What's the secret? Do I have to buy $500 of products? I qualify to make 1,000. Okay, and all I got to do is just find 10, 15, 30, 50,000 people to do it, and I'm a millionaire in about about 45 days. Okay? Don't think that way with LiveGood. If you like the products, buy them. If you don't like them, get your money back. You got 3 months. 90 days. Buy the products. If you like the products enough, I recommend becoming a member. Because a member's only $10 a month. $9.95 to be exact. That's what I did. I bought the products. I thought they were cool. Super Reds. Okay? I like them. All you do is just go to livegood.com. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate to shop. Okay? Just go to this page right here, the products page, and just look at all the products. And if you want to know how much they are, like essential oils on the street are always like $100, $200. With us, just hit the white rectangle box on any of our products, and you can see just normal price is $70, or pay $50 if you want to be a member. So you spend $9.95 a month to save $20. Okay? And if you want to do that one-time $40 fee, you can go ahead and resell these products online on Amazon. You can have a gym, sell them out of the back of your trunk of your car. Okay? But just check out each product. Read the instructions, read the directions. And of course, there'll be reviews, okay, at the bottom. And you can just see all the seals of approval that we get on every product. I mean, even our hats and shirts are good quality. Okay. So what do you need to know about LiveGood? The products are legit. You don't have to be embarrassed about them, guys. This is not a white label product where you just find somebody online, they put a sticker on these essential oils, and you just sell them saying they're the best. That's not how our company works. Okay. So go to the shop right there where it says shop. It's going to say products for you. Okay. Just click the products tab and you're going to like what you see. Now, the next thing that you should know is we have an FAQ section. You should definitely go. And if you're already joined like me, I go here, I don't know, once a week just to kind of see if there's any new questions or just to refresh in my mind about some things about LiveGood. But the FAQ is awesome. So if you're going to be an affiliate like I am right now, tell everyone to go to the website, tell everyone to go to the FAQ section. Obviously, have everybody look at the products. And, well, how do you get paid? Well, just tell them to go to see right here where it says pay plan. It'll say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Depends how big your screen is. If your screen is smaller, the word affiliate will be gone. It'll just say pay plan. So look, here's how we get paid 7 ways. I don't have to sit and tell you guys, you can just go to the website and check it out. Okay, so the pay plan or affiliate pay plan link is right there for you. And the best thing to do is just go to the video that's already produced. This YouTube video from Live Good is awesome. It explains in great detail how we get paid on the membership side. Okay, we don't have to buy products. You're not buying hundreds of products that you don't even like just to give away for free or put them in an extra bedroom. If you like the products, buy them. If you think they're average or boring, get your money back. Okay? If you want to be a member like me and start earning money, then just spend $40, guys. What a great deal. Because like I said, you got this full-blown website I'm showing you. The affiliate pay plan link completely explains everything about the pay. All right, we got full webinars. All right, every day we just about have a live Zoom. All right, when you earn money, you can click earn and just see where all your money's coming from. Okay, there's tons of support. You can click this button and see your team you're building. It's all built automatically by Live Good. All the heavy lifting is done by Live Good. Your whole website is completely managed and maintained and updated by Live Good. Okay? All you got to do is just get really good at inviting people to one page, and it's your capture page. So let me go ahead and show you what it is. See all these videos here? You can post the links. Above each picture is a link, even in Spanish. You can post this on Facebook, Instagram. You can make a video like I'm doing right now. But this is your meat and potatoes. See this guy in the blue shirt? This the power line landing page. This is what you're going to get really good at sending people to. Because see, when people go to this, see the name and the email? You can put your name and email in there. And if you want to reserve your position and just get some nice emails every day for 30 days, the emails will be taken care of by Live Good with an autoresponder. Okay? And if you want to opt out on any Live Good email, just go to the bottom and opt out. But you send people to this page, your capture page. This is maintained and built by Live Good. People tend to watch this YouTube video right here. It's a 6-minute video with our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He just talks about the opportunity, the products, and everything that I'm doing now. And if people don't want to do Live Good or buy the products, they're on their way. They just delete your email or they just never watch this video again and they live happily ever after and you go on your way. You don't have to go to people's doors knocking and doing meetings and doing conference calls. All right, just get really good at posting this link right here, livegoodtour.com, and whatever your username is. Mine is Cory Draper. All right, so there's the link. You can see I just highlighted it in blue. And I've signed up almost 400 people this way. They just go and watch this video. And if they want to join, they put their name and email address in. And they click this orange button. And then in the email from Live Good, they can see to click a button. It'll go to where you can put your username, your name, get a username, get a password. You can join for $49.95, $40 one time, then it's $9.95 a month to be a member. And you have to be a member to be an affiliate. But if you want to save 2 months worth, if you got $139.95, go ahead and join for the year. You get 12 months for the price of 10. Okay? So if you have $139.95, the affiliate is one and done, guys. And for $99.95, like I said, you get 12 months for the price of 10. Now for the next year, you're done. Just get really good at having fun. Make business cards at like Vistaprint. I bought joincory.com and I forward to that Live Good capture page. All right, that guy in blue, he's pointing at the video in the middle of the capture page. People watch that 6-minute video. Ben Glinsky, our CEO, takes over. And then if people don't want to do anything with this business, they're gone. There's no time out of my day where I'm stressing out and chasing people. People come to me for information on, number one, how to make money online. Live Good. Is there a company that has affordable, healthy products that maybe I can look at? Live Good. Do people want to usually save money on healthy products and maybe spend $40 and make some extra money? I'm experiencing that. There's a lot of people. There's 1.5 million people in less than 2 years that are in that category. They want to get healthy, they want to save money, and they want to make money. All right. It's a triple Lindy, like in that show, Back to the Future. Remember with Rodney Dangerfield? I love that show. So I just make this a fun endeavor. And guys, when you start making money, and I can't guarantee that you are, I got to do disclaimer whenever you do videos like this. But I'll tell you what, if you just go to your computer, relax, watch short videos about training and see what other people are doing. And I hope you go and get some business cards like vistaprint.com. Get yourself a big old box for like $30 and just get a fun domain name like a GoDaddy and just have GoDaddy forward to the Live Good capture page. Let the videos do all the recruiting and the training. Let the customer service, which is support@livegood.com, handle anything with credit cards, Bitcoin, any questions about stuff. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, who design all our products, Ryan@livegood.com, Lisa@livegood.com. Get a hold of them and ask them any questions about our products. Okay? Awesome, isn't it? This is a lot simpler than you're going to probably make it to be if you join. You're going to think, oh, I got to hustle and grind and do all this crazy stuff that everyone had to do 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago. But no, invite people to watch a movie and that's it. Done. Just smack yourself if you think you have to do anything else. Guys, go to joincory.com. My work is done. Okay? Please look into this. I think you're going to have a good time and live good. I think you're going to dig the products. The guarantee you can't beat, guys. 3 months, that's a long time. And you can't beat the price of joining. I always want to know when I look at something how much it is before I get excited. How much is that car? How much is that candy bar? How much is that vacation package? How much is that microphone? How much is this? How much is that? You always want to know because I don't bait and switch. Guys, if you want to join, $49.95 and then pay by the month. Boom, boom, just switch the calendar. Just go every month, get $9.95 or just one and done. So $49.95, $10 a month, or $139.95. You're done for the next 12 months, including your affiliate fee, which is paid for life. Then you can sit down and relax. $30 for Vistaprint. These domain names, if they're brand new, are $11 at GoDaddy. Just do little baby amounts. We're not going to go crazy on your money. We want you to get educated and know what you're doing and have fun before you dive all the way in. All right, I want you to sit at the end of the pool, put your feet in, put a little remote control boat in the swimming pool and play around a little bit. All right, I don't dive in that pool even if there's 1,000 feet of water, because if that water is 30 degrees, I want to know, is that water is it room temperature? Okay, so let's just take baby steps with Live Good. Okay, joincory.com, watch the video, put your name and email address in the capture page. If you want to join, I'm going to send you a nice email. I'm going to tell you how I configure everything, how I do a certain thing every day that earns me money. And like I said, it's every month. If I'm not making 10, I'm making 15, or I'm making about $17,000 a month. And that's because I have multiple streams of income. I have tools and software and just some cool things that help take care of baby Live Good. Okay, and what I mean by that is you need just people to look into this business. You need a marketing tool or maybe a campaign or maybe just a little help. So you want to know how to write an email or maybe type something on Facebook on your home computer, maybe your cell phone. Okay? If you have a cell phone and you're watching me right now, you got everything it takes. If you're on a laptop or a home computer right now watching me, guys, you have everything. You got what it takes to succeed and live good. This is my opinion, but I'm living proof of everything that I just showed you. It's exactly what I do every day. I don't have hidden secrets. I don't have any information for sale so I can profit off you guys. Everything that I recommend you buy is a tool that you can use in any business online, not just Live Good, not just to line my pockets with. This is a tool that you can get your money back and use like a screwdriver. Okay? That's it, guys. I'll just hold my business card up one more time and give it a shot. You're going to dig this company, okay? Joincory.com. Get a hold of me if you need something. I'm on Facebook. Just inbox me there. Or you can always go to Cory@CoryDraper.com and email me. Cory. So Cory, at CoryDraper.com. Okay, thanks for your time, guys. Peace and love, and I got this video done in just shy under 20 minutes. So, okay, have a good day. We'll talk to you guys soon.